Oh yeah, that car sitting right over it took a beating all right. I didn't notice that till now. Looks like it swiped something. Noticed that the BNSF had a big derailment in Wyandotte, Oklahoma last night. Train going from Springfield, Missouri, somewhere as I think Somerville, Texas, which is outside of Houston, had a load of a bunch of untreated railroad ties and hit the dirt at Wyandotte. So I imagine they probably got the mess cleaned up by now and everything's running back south and north. I don't know how they rerouted trains through there. Maybe they rerouted trains over the Cherokee subdivision. I don't know which goes into Tulsa. It's hot today. It's almost 90 degrees.